If you're considering having a garden, but are not sure why you should, in this video, you will see 3 benefits of having one. Number 1. Good for the environment. With the decline of pollinators, having a garden, especially with flowering plants, can help these important insects survive. These bugs include bees, wasps, hoverflies, butterflies, and more. These important insects help in creating fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Number 2. Fresh produce. Growing edible plants isn't as hard as it sounds and can be super rewarding. Fruits and vegetables always taste better straight from the garden. Many plants can also be grown in just a very small space. The plants provide food and make the place look better at the same time. Number 3. Good for your health. Not only is fresh produce good for your physical health, but just gardening itself can be great for mental health. Getting into the garden can be very relaxing and calming. It also helps keep you busy as there is always something to do. Not sure how to start a garden? Check the link in the description to find out how. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.